Did you know gum disease is the leading cause of tooth loss in adults? Gum disease begins with plaque, a sticky, colorless film that constantly forms on teeth. Plaque contains bacteria. If not removed with daily brushing and flossing, plaque can build up. The bacteria in plaque releases toxins that irritate gum tissue. This condition is gum disease. Left untreated, gum disease can progress and lead to bleeding, tooth loss, and damage to bone and mouth tissues. Gum disease has 3 stages. Gingivitis is the first. Gums are mildly inflamed, appear red or swollen, and may bleed during brushing. Periodontitis is the second stage. Gums begin to pull away from the teeth, allowing plaque bacteria to infect tooth roots, supporting fibers and bone. The third stage of gum disease is advanced periodontitis. Supporting fibers and bone are destroyed, teeth are loose and may need to be removed. If detected early, gum disease can be reversed. See your dentist if you experience any of the following: gums that are red, swollen, or tender, gums that bleed during brushing or flossing, gums that have pulled away from teeth, forming pockets, changes in the way teeth fit together when you bite, persistent bad breath, or a bad taste in your mouth. The good news is that gum disease is preventable. Everyday brushing and flossing and professional cleanings twice a year might be all you need to prevent gum disease. Remember, taking care of your gums will ensure your teeth will last a lifetime.